vehicles at home, there are more motorbikes, there are more bicycles, there are more there's not necessarily more agricultural productivity, but there are many people that have tractors, many more people that have rice mills, and biogas, studies here, but about 10% of migrants get sent home with very little, either because they were stolen from, their boss didn't pay them, they were caught by the police and their money was taken by the police and they were sent back. So a lot of people have had some form of exploitation, absolutely. I haven't encountered anyone who was deceived about where they were going, what kind of work they would be put into, who had their mobility restricted, who was forced into some kind of debt bondage by the middleman, anything like that. And again, it's complete for a year, and I would be surprised if I hadn't heard that and that was happening regularly.
anh một dạng môi trường đồ trong này cũng sẽ hoặc xa tiền thì mấy năm trong tập cách chúng ta luôn và thấy là